In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently import tasks into ClickUp using a spreadsheet. This is going to be a useful skill, especially if you're managing multiple projects and want to streamline your workflow by having all your tasks in one organized place. So let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to ClickUp. Open your preferred web browser and type in the ClickUp URL. Hit enter and you'll be taken to the ClickUp homepage. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your workspace. Here, you'll see all your projects and tasks at a glance. Next, let's head over to your profile where you'll find the Settings option. Your profile is usually located at the bottom left corner of the ClickUp interface, often represented by your profile picture or initials. Once you're there, click on Settings. This will bring up a variety of options designed to help tailor ClickUp to your specific needs. Now, within the Settings menu, you want to locate the Imports/Exports section. This is a vital feature, especially for those who are transferring large amounts of data from other task management tools into ClickUp. Here, you'll see various options for data import and export. For our needs today, we'll be focusing on the Spreadsheet option. Select it, and you'll be prompted to choose the format dates for your tasks. This part is crucial to ensure that all your tasks align correctly with your calendar in ClickUp. After selecting your desired format, click Continue. We're almost there. The next step is choosing a destination within ClickUp for your imported tasks. You can decide whether to assign them to an existing project or create a new list. Make sure to choose carefully so that your tasks are organized exactly how you need them. Now it's time to click Upload File. This is where you'll be browsing your computer to find the spreadsheet you've previously prepared with your tasks. Ensure that your spreadsheet is appropriately formatted, perhaps as a .csv file, so that ClickUp can seamlessly interpret the data. Once you've selected the file, hit Upload and let ClickUp do the rest. And that's it. You've successfully imported your tasks into ClickUp and they're ready to be tackled. This simple but effective process can save you hours of manual data entry and align your projects within an organized digital workspace. Give yourself a pat on the back for mastering this task importing procedure and enjoy the efficiency it brings to your workflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials.